more energetic legs isn't found in a gym, but in a cup. For too long, we've accepted that feeling weaker, battling stiff joints, and running out of steam are just inevitable parts of life. But what if you could actively fight back with something simple, soothing, and surprisingly powerful? Emerging science is now confirming what ancient traditions have known for centuries, that specific botanicals hold the key to unlocking our natural vitality. I'm not talking about a magic pill or a demanding routine. I'm talking about turning your daily tea ritual into a targeted strategy for rejuvenation. These are not your average teas. They are natural allies that work from within to calm inflammation, enhance circulation, and deliver essential nutrients directly to your muscles and nerves. So put the kettle on, and let's explore 4 incredible teas that can help you reclaim your strength, your stability, and your energy. Tea 4. Rooibos. Tea for a caffeine-free tea that supports your body's deepest recovery processes. Rooibos is an exceptional choice. Known as South African red tea, this herbal infusion is a treasure trove of antioxidants and essential minerals that directly combat the underlying causes of muscle fatigue and weakness. What makes rooibos particularly powerful for leg strength is its rich content of magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Magnesium is a critical mineral that acts as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to prevent the painful Charlie horses and restless legs that can disrupt sleep, the very time your muscles are trying to repair. Potassium supports proper fluid balance in muscle cells, ensuring efficient nerve signaling for smooth, cramp-free contractions. Together, these minerals work to calm overexcited nerves and ease muscular tension. Furthermore, rooibos is packed with unique antioxidants like aspalathin, which studies suggest can help reduce inflammation and protect blood vessels. This improved vascular health ensures better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to leg muscles, reducing feelings of heaviness and promoting faster recovery after activity. Its naturally sweet, earthy flavor is enjoyable any time of day, making it a perfect evening ritual to prepare your muscles and nervous system for a night of restorative, strengthening sleep. Tea 3. Peppermint tea. If tension, sudden cramps, or mental fog are your primary challenges, peppermint tea is your go-to herbal ally. This invigorating tea is far more than a refreshing drink. It's a natural therapeutic tool thanks to its high concentration of menthol, a compound with potent antispasmodic properties. Menthol works by activating receptors in the body that help to relax tense, contracted muscles, providing swift relief from Charlie horses and the general tightness that can make legs feel heavy and stiff. Its cooling sensation also offers a gentle, natural analgesic effect, soothing discomfort on contact. Beyond muscle relaxation, emerging research suggests peppermint can promote healthier circulation, enhancing blood flow to deliver more oxygen and nutrients to weary muscles while flushing out metabolic waste that contributes to fatigue. Furthermore, the bright, uplifting aroma of peppermint is a known cognitive energizer. It helps to clear brain fog, improve focus, and combat the afternoon slump without any caffeine, making it an ideal daytime choice when you need both a physical and mental pick-me-up. Its ability to simultaneously calm digestive issues also ensures optimal nutrient absorption, fueling your body's overall energy production. For a quick recovery boost, enjoy a cup after activity or whenever muscle stiffness strikes. Tea 2. Ginger. Tea for those who feel stiffness and ache in their joints with every step. Ginger tea is a powerful, warming remedy. This isn't just a spicy drink. It's a potent, natural anti-inflammatory that targets the root cause of joint pain and mobility issues. The magic of ginger comes from compounds called gingerols, which have been extensively studied for their ability to inhibit the body's production of inflammatory molecules. These inflammatory molecules are like internal rust that stiffens joints and makes movement painful. By reducing this inflammation, ginger tea helps to loosen stiff knees and hips, making it easier to move, walk, and stay active. Furthermore, ginger is a well-known circulatory stimulant. It promotes healthy blood flow, ensuring that oxygen and nutrient-rich blood reaches the muscles and tissues that need it most, which accelerates recovery and reduces feelings of heaviness and fatigue in the legs. Brewing a cup of ginger tea is simple. Simmer a few thin slices of fresh ginger root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer it brews, the spicier and more potent it becomes. For an extra soothing and effective blend, add a squeeze of lemon and a teaspoon of honey. Enjoy this warming drink daily to support comfortable movement and strong circulation, helping you move more freely throughout your day. T1. Nettle tea. What makes nettle tea so powerful is its incredible concentration of magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Magnesium is paramount for muscle relaxation and nerve signaling. A deficiency can directly lead to cramps, spasms, and that feeling of constant tension. Potassium ensures proper fluid balance within muscle cells, enabling smooth, strong contractions. Together, these minerals work to calm an overexcited nervous system and ease muscular tension at its core. Furthermore, nettle is a known source of iron, which is crucial for oxygenating blood and preventing the fatigue that can make your legs feel heavy and weak. Beyond its mineral content, nettle possesses gentle anti-inflammatory properties that complement the effects of ginger, helping to soothe aching joints without overstimulation. Its high antioxidant levels also support the body's detoxification processes, contributing to overall vitality. For best results, steep dried nettle leaves for a full 10 minutes to extract its rich mineral content. Enjoy this earthy, nourishing tea daily to replenish the fundamental building blocks your body needs for sustained strength and energy. So there you have it. 3 powerful teas to help you support your leg strength, energy, and comfort from the inside out. Think of them as your daily 1-2 punch against weakness and fatigue. The best part is how simple it is to make them a part of your routine. If you're ready to feel more stable and energetic, please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing for more natural health solutions. We're here to help you thrive. Now, we'd love to know, which of these 2 teas do you think your body needs most right now? Share your choice in the comments below.